Okay, I think we can start, right, Evgeny?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so let me greet everybody, every participant of this workshop. With the beginning of this workshop, let me congratulate you with a hopefully interesting meeting. We have a regular series of seminars, which is called Quarks, and the year every second year, biannually, since 1980, in fact. So we had quite a number of workshops every second year since 1980, and this time our seminar, we call it traditionally seminars Quarks. This seminar was to be organized in last year in 2020, actually in a very nice place. We always have seminars at very nice places in the Russian Federation, in all towns with a number of cultural sightseeing places, etc. And that's an opportunity to see interesting places in Russia, above all. But you understand, we had to postpone the meeting of the last year, and that's why our meeting this time is called Quarks 2020, nevertheless. This is, of course, because of pandemic. We had to postpone the seminar, unfortunately. The idea of organizing topical workshops is new. It had to be implemented last year in person. And we decided not to, skip the seminar altogether, but instead, Quarks 2020, we decided to make in the form of virtual workshops, more or less of the same topic, on the same topics that was thought preliminary in regular Quarks seminar series for last year. That was the idea of a new team that organizes this series of seminars. In particular, Dmitry Levkov, who was the proponent of this set of this change of scope of the seminar. In the previous years, we didn't have topical workshops at all, although we had some emphasis on various topics, but not workshops, not topical workshops. Now it seems that it works. We had quite a number, several workshops already on integrability and quantum field theory, CFT, quantum gravity, and cosmology. We have workshops on more phenomenological topics and even on machine learning in particle physics. So most of them are happening this week, previous week, but one of them is going to be postponed until the second half of June. So everybody is invited to participate in not only in this workshop, but also in other workshops of this seminar. Also, let me add that we do hope to be able to continue with in-person seminars of the Quarks series in the future. We do hope that the next year the situation with pandemic will improve considerably, so that we will be able to come to the nice place near Pereslav-Zalesky, some 150 kilometers northeast of Moscow, which is a very nice place by itself, and also the surroundings are culturally very interesting. So let me invite everybody to attend this meeting, which we hope again will be in-person meeting. We think we will have also topical workshops, and every participant is of this Quarks 2020 seminar is invited to suggest the ideas on possible topics of the topical workshops for the next year. So we do hope to have lively discussions, lively event next year. Normally we have these seminars in the end of May, beginning of June, which is the case this time as well. So please mark tentatively in your schedule the dates around maybe first week or second week of June to come to our nice event, Course 2022. With this, I give the floor to Evgeny Babichev, who is a principal organizer of this topical workshop. I was only serving as a minor, minor help to Evgeny. He was doing all the job essentially. So let me give him the floor to start with the workshop.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's start with our first morning session. And I would remind the speakers of the session to try to be in time, because we have a quite dense schedule for this morning session. We have 5 talks. So just to remind you, it's 30 minutes